We've got a bit of a dinosaur shipping out today. Not a particularly popular one, but a dinosaur all the same. This is a Dodge 318. This one specifically is from 75 all the way up until 88. So cast iron black, cast iron head, simple push rod engine design. This is considered an LA engine. This is the non-roller engine, and the rollers, I believe, weren't started until 1988. So not exactly the most popular old engine out there, but definitely solid unit as far as reliability goes. Not the most powerful thing. They'll be found in your light to medium duty Dodge trucks. It's just they're becoming few and far in between. Lack of parts. As things are getting older, cores are the core pool is getting smaller and smaller, so it's difficult to find cores, difficult to find parts, and honestly the demand for them is really not that high. So anyway, just a fun little dinosaur that we're shipping out today.